वेलकम टू Econoplus यूट्यूब चैनल। तो दर्शक बंधु आज आपण मानकर SSB लेक्चरशिप एग्जाम टी सरी जाइछि जो थी आपण मानकर 100 क्वेश्चन पड़ीथिला तार किछि आंसर आमे एनालिसिस करिछु जहा कि 99% करेक्ट अछि। तबं एई पार्ट रे आमे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रु आरंभ करी क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 पर्यंत सॉल्यूशन करिछु। तो आपण माने देखंतु आपनकर केते ठीक होउछि। प्रथमे देखिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द एंजल कर्व फॉर नेसेसरी गुड इज, तो यार राइट आंसर हेबो ऑप्शन बी, पॉजिटिवली स्लोप्ड एट ए स्टीपर रेट। परवर्ती क्वेश्चन देखंतु, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए फीचर ऑफ द रिवील्ड प्रेफरेंस थ्योरी ऑफ कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर। तो रिवील्ड प्रेफरेंस थ्योरी रो कोटा फीचर्स नुहे। तो बिहेवियरलिस्ट ऑर्डिनलिस्ट एटा फीचर्स अछि, ट्रांजिटिव एटा फीचर्स, कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ चॉइस एटा मध्य तार फीचर्स। तो कोटा नुहे पचारिछि तो आपण मारिबे ऑप्शन सी, वीक ऑर्डरिंग इज नॉट ए फीचर्स ऑफ रिवील्ड प्रेफरेंस थ्योरी। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, in case of Cobb-Douglas production function, elasticity of factor substitution is, तो यार आंसर हेबो is equal to 1 or equal to unity, option B. Then question number 4, with the L-shaped isoquants the production function exhibits, तो यार राइट आंसर हेबो ऑप्शन A, fixed proportions between two factors. Question number 5, under the perfect competition short run supply curve is defined as, तो राइट आंसर होबो यार ऑप्शन सी, rising portion of the marginal cost curve lying above the average variable cost curve। तो आपण माने देखिथिबे एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट रो एबीसी कॉस्ट रो मिनिमम पॉइंट रे मार्जिनल कॉस्ट जाई थाए एवं से मिनिमम पॉइंट रु अपवर्ड पोर्शन ए पोर्शन ता हो आपनकर सप्लाई कर्व इन द शॉर्ट रन। तापर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, in the king demand curve theory of oligopoly, if marginal cost curve shifts upward in the discontinuous range of MR curve, then at equilibrium, the right answer of option B, price and quantity of output both remain the same. Then question number 7, quasi rent is, तो यह right answer of option C, the excess of total revenue over total variable cost. Question number 8, the inconsistency of which of the following criteria is labeled as Skitopsky paradox? Right answer होची option D, Kaldor-Hicks criterion. Question number 9, which one of the following is the strategic behavior in case of prisoner's dilemma of two rival farms in duopoly games? The right answer होची option C, both behave selfishly and confess to the crime and cheat each other. Question number 10, equilibrium of payoff matrix is achieved at the saddle point by, the right answer habo option B, maximin and minimax strategies. तापर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, which of the following is not correct in national income accounting? तो कोटा करेक्ट नुहे पचारिछि, तो प्रथम तीनोटी ऑप्शन टी होची करेक्ट, किंतु जेहेतु पचारिछि कोटा करेक्ट नुहे तो हमर राइट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन डी। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, ग्रीन अकाउंटिंग इज, the right answer of option C, computation of national income taking into account the damage and depletion of natural resource base. Then question number 13, which of the following is not considered as wealth in Friedman's demand for money? तो कोटा wealth consider करा जाय नहीं, तो यार राइट आंसर हेबो ऑप्शन डी, गोल्ड। बाकी तीनटी wealth बोली consider करा जायछि फ्राइडमैन को थ्योरी रे डिमांड फॉर मनी रे। Then question number 14, expressing as the hypermoney, C as the currency deposit ratio and R as the reserve deposit ratio, the equation M is equal to H 1 plus c divided by r plus c represents, so it represents money multiplier, option B. Then question number 15, non-accelerating inflation rate of unemployment NAIRU represents, तो यार सठिक आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, steady state rate of unemployment in the long run. Question number 16, the ability of commercial banks to increase their loans and advances depends upon, the right answer है excess cash reserve, option C. Question number 17, which one of the following is not a non-banking financial intermediary? ठीक अच्छी, तो तार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, IRDA. Which of the following is not explored in the Mundell-Fleming model? The right answer is option B, crowding out investment. Then question number 19, the relative income hypothesis states that, तार सठिक उत्तर है ऑप्शन बी, ratchet effect operates from the previous peak level of consumption. Question number 20, with the IS curve in the Keynesian range of LM curve in the liquidity trap situation, the right answer of option A, there is no crowding out effect. There is no crowding out effect. Question number 21, which one of the following phenomenon explains the free rider problem in public economics? तो सठिक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी, provision of pure public goods. Then question number 22, according to Peacock-Wiseman hypothesis, public expenditure grows. Right answer is option C, in a step-like manner. Then question number 23, the technique of shadow price used in social cost benefit analysis of project evaluation has been contributed by, the right answer is option C, J. Tinbergen. Then question number 24, which one of the following is not a measurement of deadweight loss in taxation? The right answer is option B, equity effect. Then question number 25, the planning, programming and budgeting system PPBS, तो यार आंसर कौन हम 25 रो ऑप्शन डी, consider the budget as a whole rather than to examine the incremental changes only. Then question number 26, equity in taxation can best be achieved by applying the principle of, the right answer about equal marginal sacrifice. Question number 27, fiscal deficit in the budget means, right answer about budgetary deficit plus the net borrowing of the government. Then FRBM Act 2003 mandates to establish fiscal discipline by the eliminating, तो से यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी, एलिमिनेटिंग रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट. से आप देखिए जो FRBM एक्ट को सर्च करेंगे जो देखिए से फिस्कल डेफिसिट रिड्यूस कराई किंतु एलिमिनेट कराई रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट. तो यार आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 रही आपनकर, which of the following is a source of non tax revenue of the government of India? तर आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी, इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड. Then question number 30 देखंतु, the 15th Finance Commission has recommended states share in the division pool of tax at what percent? तर आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी, 41%. Then the primary objective of debt sustainability is, तर आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी, to reduce debt GDP ratio. Then question number 32, देखो denoting the price of capital and labor by PK and PL respectively and countries by A and B. If PK by PL of country A is less than PK by PL of country B, तो right answer होची option C, country A is relatively capital abundant. And question number 33, what is the ratio between the price of a country's export goods and price of its import good? The answer is option A, net barter terms of trade. 34. If the supply of a commodity is very inelastic in the exporting country and demand for the same is fairly elastic in the importing country, the imposition of tariff will have the answer of option D, a very large protective effect. Then question number 35, the purchasing power parity theory does not explain. Here answer of option C, why and how much is the change in exchange rate. Then question number 36, arbitrage in international payment means. The answer of option B, the act of simultaneously buying of a currency in cheaper market for sale in the costier market. Then question number 37, beggar thy neighbor policy refers to. Question number 37, it refers to option A, competitive. Question number 37, competitive depreciation by each country to increase exports. Then question number 38, of the following is not included in the current account of balance of payment. The right answer of option B, foreign investment. Question number 39, the International Monetary Fund corrects which of the following in balance of payments? Right answer of option A, fundamental disequilibrium. Then question number 40, which one of the following does not constitute a part of the jurisdiction of WTO? The right answer habo option A, regional trade agreement. Question number 41, which of the following is not a dimension of measuring human development index? The right answer is gender equality, option C. Question number 42, which is the correct sequence of the following approach to develop in terms of their chronological emergence? तो ये क्वेश्चन आपंकर 2014 मसीहा यूजीसी नेट्र डिसेम्बर रे आसीला तो एक्जाक्टली से क्वेश्चन टी रिपीट होती तो आप देखिए चाहिए देखिपारे प्रूफ तार अच्छी तो राइट आंसर हम आपंकर सिक्वेन्स टी हूँ ऑप्शन बी ताने प्रथम पर कैपिटा इनकम अप्रोच देन बेसिक नीड अप्रोच देन ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स अप्रोच. Then question number 43, capital fundamentalism refers to which of the following? The right answer of option B, acceleration of capital accumulation for development. Then question number 44, which of the following is required for steady state in the Harrod's growth model? The answer is option B, actual growth rate is equal to warranted growth rate is equal to natural growth rate. Then question number 45, John Robinson's model of economic growth enunciates that there is a golden age equilibrium when? The right answer of growth rate of labor should be equal to the growth rate of capital. Then question number 46, use of different production functions in the modern sector and the traditional sector is defined as. The right answer is option C, technical dualism. Question number 47, suppose that there are three curves A, B, C corresponding to the degree of distribution of income among the population of three sections. The curve B is farther and curve C remains farther from the diagonal line A. Which is the line of equal distribution of income? The right answer is here option A, curve A. Then question number 48, multidimensional poverty index MPI has been introduced by. Right answer is UNDP, option B. Then question number 49, which of the following is not the influence of change in the institution in the economic development? The right answer of option C, rural urban imbalance. The last question of this part is idea of soft state is used by Gunnar Myrdal in his Asian drama means. The right answer of option A, laxity in administration by the state machinery and lenient attitude of the state towards social deviance. So thank you very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. यदि आपण मानकु वीडियोटी भल लागिछ ताहले शेयर कर देबे जा फଳରେ ଆମେ पार्ट 2 निश्चित भाबे आपण मन पई नै आसीबु आसंता काली. ତ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଭେରି ମଚ୍।